If you have an angle grinder and don't know how to increase its capabilities threefold, I'll show you now. Drill a hole in the cap of a small plastic bottle, insert a large bolt into it, and tighten it with a nut, first wrapping the bolt with PTFE tape. Screw the cap onto the bottle. On the side and the upper part, burn a hole. Drill a hole in the protective guard, screw the cap with the bolt into the place where the grinder's handle normally goes. Take an IV tube, cut off the flow control valve, and install it as shown in the video. Glue it in place with hot glue. Burn a hole in the bottom of the bottle. Fill the bottle with water and use the pinch valve to adjust the water supply to the disc. And now you can easily cut glass, ceramic, or concrete.